Hello, lovely people. My name is Renu, and I welcome you all to my channel Renew You with Renu. Well, today I have decided to show you my favorite salad recipe, which has veggies and sprouts. This is a very simple and easy recipe and quick to make. This salad is loaded with health benefits and it's gonna taste amazing. To make this salad, you need chopped mushrooms, sprouted pulses of your choice. I have used green gram, brown gram and moong dal. Then broccoli. Make sure you clean it completely and properly because it's broccoli. Then chopped baby corn, dry fruits like almonds and cashews, and then paneer. Chop it like really small cubes. To add taste, I have got ginger garlic powder, olive oil and salt to taste. So guys, let's get started. Take a non-stick pan, add oil and all the veggies one by one. Then goes your paneer, dry fruits and the sprouts. Then the ginger garlic powder and salt. I have just added a little bit of lemon juice and coriander leaves to just add a little bit of twist. My veggie sprout salad is ready. So if you liked my recipe, please add a comment, like and share my video. And do subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Till then, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.